Hey guys, Nurse Farynheight here. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Best Damn Self. Today we are going to be making some overnight oats. We're going to be making two different variations, so I'm super excited. Make sure if you haven't already, subscribe below. Make sure you turn the notifications on because I will be posting a video every single Wednesday for Wellness Wednesdays. So make sure you do that. So this is one of my most favorite things to make. Number one, it's super simple, it's super easy, and super convenient. This is why it's one of my favorite, and I just love oatmeal. I love having it for breakfast. It's super good, and it has a lot of fiber. So if you guys haven't seen my other video on top foods highest in fiber, go check that out because these three items make that list. So if you're not a fan of hot oatmeal, this will be the perfect snack or breakfast for you because it is cold and it is refrigerated. So I like to use mason jars because they have a closed airtight lid, so it holds everything together, and it's super small, but there are bigger ones depending on how big your appetite is. So first things first, you're gonna wanna start with the most important ingredient, oatmeal. These are steel cut oatmeal, so don't try to play me in the comments saying, oh, this doesn't look like oatmeal. Like, what kind of oatmeal does she have? This is steel cut oatmeal. It's one of the healthiest. Another fun thing about overnight oats is that you can layer it up. You can make it look all pretty and colorful, and you can add pretty much whatever you want. So it's up to you. All right, so depending on the size of the mason jar is gonna be it's gonna depend on how much oatmeal or fruits that you're gonna wanna use. Mine is super tiny, so I'm not gonna need that many ingredients. So, like I said, the oatmeal first. I know I'm a little sloppy, but it's all good. Nobody's perfect. All right, so I like to keep it about this much for this small mason jar. All right, next up, I like to add the fruit. So my fruit of choice is the raspberries. Actually, I'm gonna use all of them, because why not? All right, so we're pretty much more than halfway there. Last but not least, for this recipe, we're just gonna be using some almond milk. I like unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Gives it that vanilla flavor, but not too much sugar. And then you just fill it up to the top. And voila. See how simple that was? That was like less than 1 minute. So there's no excuses as why you can't eat healthy. And if you don't like hot oatmeals, this is an alternative. This is perfect. So there you go. Super good. Then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna store it in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours, or you can do it overnight, and then as soon as you're ready to go to work or go wherever you have to go, you just take it out the fridge and it's good to go. It won't look like this in the morning. The oats will actually get bigger in size because it is soaking up all the fluid that's in it. So this is one way. Okay, so for the second one, we have some bananas, obviously oatmeal, we have yogurt, and we have the almond milk, but we don't have enough. So we are gonna pour some. This is my personal favorite. I like bananas, peanut butter, of course oatmeal, yogurt, and some almond milk. So you got a lot of protein going on in here between the peanut butter and the yogurt. All right, so first things first, I always use the oatmeal first, like I had said before. Just dump it all in there. All right, then I'm gonna add my bananas. Oops. Don't tell anyone. All right, and you can mash it down if you do need room for the bananas. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of yogurt. This is non-plain, this is plain non-fat yogurt. It's not the tastiest, but the peanut butter and the bananas will sweeten it up. Now I'm gonna need another spoon. Hold on 1 second, because I need another spoon. Don't want to cross-contaminate, you know. All right, now we're gonna add some peanut butter. Depending on how much protein you want, or calories, depends on how much you're gonna wanna put. Yeah, this is a little tougher, but you get the point. All right, then last but not least, we have the almond milk, the unsweetened vanilla flavored almond milk. This was it's slowly going to the bottom. This is a jam-packed one. But it's good because you're getting all the nutrients and a lot of vitamins that you need. This is a protein-packed overnight oats for some people that are trying to build some lean muscle. Or build muscle in general. All right, cool. So then you put the lid on. Actually, no, you're not gonna wanna put the lid. You're gonna wanna stir it a little bit. This one you're gonna wanna stir because there's a lot going on and you don't want the peanut butter to just clump. But it's gonna do that anyway. But you can always stir it in the morning or whenever you're ready to eat it, you can always stir it. It's not gonna be as liquidy. All right, guys, so we have 2 different types of overnight oats that you can just put in the refrigerator and grab and go. Super simple, made in less than 2 minutes each. All you need to do is just have the ingredients that you want, and you can personalize it however, which way you want, which is cool. All right, guys, so we have created 2 different variations of overnight oats. Definitely leave a comment below if you do something different. Share the knowledge, share the wealth, and let me know if you make them similar to me. Let me know if you tried this recipe and you've actually enjoyed it. It's super yummy. I will not steer you in the wrong direction. Make sure you subscribe below. If you don't follow me already, I am Nurse Farynheight. Follow me at Nurse Farynheight on Instagram. Also follow us at Best Damn Self. Make sure you turn the notifications on. Make sure you share this video, share the knowledge like I said, and leave me any comments for any future video suggestions. Let me know if you want me to make something too. I love cooking. All right, thank you guys for tuning in. Signing out.